Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2018 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, tires, front all-season, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera. Your new ride is just a phone call away.